Welcome students my YouTube channel. This is waris Jamal and you are learning Microsoft of Word 2016. Today my topic of discussion is inserting mathematical equation using equation editor. Actually students, in this topic I will discuss how to insert a mathematical equation in MS Word and how you can create a mathematical equation in MS Word. Before starting my topic, I am telling you, if you like my video, just click on the like button, and if you are a new viewer, then subscribe my channel. Okay, let's come to the topic. First of all, you have to go to insert tab of MS Word. We have open a blank document of MS Word and go to insert tab. In the insert tab there are various groups, pages, tables and so many groups. You just directly come on the group name symbols. In the symbol group you will find an equation option is there. When you click on the small drop down button, the equation related to the MS Word will open to you. There are various area of circle and various kinds of binomial theorem, expansion of like this. If you want to insert a new equation, you simply click on the new equation button. Then this design of equation will open to you. For example, if you want to insert an equation related to fraction, for example fraction, simple fraction, the fraction when you click on the fraction button, the fraction will display to you. For example, you just want to create 1 by 2 plus another equation 2 by 4. Okay, this is a simple equation related to the fraction. In this way you can insert a fractional equation in MS Word. Actually typing of these things is not possible. This is called fractional equation. Okay, another types of equation is also available there. In the same way you just go, then you can also create a fractional cubic fraction or linear fraction like this. First of all, how to create this is a simple fraction, a stacked fraction that you have created, and now you have to go into create fraction. How to create this example 4 by 6, and you just leave it. This is called qubit, KW. This is called qubit. KWED. What is called KWED? Qubit, K is qubit fraction, S qubit. What is called SKEWED is qubit fraction you can create. Okay, you can also create linear fraction. How can you create a linear fraction? On this way you just go and select the fraction and then select the linear fraction option. Then you can define the linear value 4 by 6, and this is called linear fraction. This is related to the fraction. This is the topic that I have created. This is related to the fraction. Okay, fraction. Now I am going to create another equation related to the script. For example, a square, a to the power 26, whatever. How can you create a script? This is called a script. Equation, a scripted equation. Either it is subscripted or superscripted, or subscript both are there. First of all, you just learn how to write on the a square. You simply write a square. On the same way, you write on the scripted. This is called scripted. This is called scripted. Superscripted. That is called superscripted. scripted equation. Okay. On the same way, you can insert an equation in this that calculates subscript. That's called subscripted. Subscripted means the value is below the value. This is 4. The value is below the value is 2, 3 either. This is called subscripted. Scripted equation. Okay. Equation you can create. On the same way, you also can create equation related to subscript and superscript both. Okay, subscript and superscript both. You just go and type the value 4, 5, and the subscript, you give some information to the subscript 5, and you can give some information to the superscript. That is called superscripted and subscripted equation. Okay. Okay, now again you can also create a fraction related to equation related to radicals. Okay, there are various types of radicals are there. You simply just you choose like this. This is called radical expression. This is called radical or root. It's called radical or root. As you see many times in the mathematics books, how it is being inserted, you can be inserted by the help of on the power, whatever you want to radical with degree. You can also define 365 to 65 and the power is 5. This is called degree scripted. This is called degree scripted. This is called the degree. This is called this is called radical with degree. This is called radical with degree. This is called radical with degree. Okay, radical with degree. You have defined the degree over here. If you don't want to define the degree, you can use the by default degree which is available there. You just go to radicals and select there's radical degree. Okay. For example, 64. Okay. This is called defined radical. You can also create the value of defined radical values degree with radicals. Okay. Degree with radicals. Now come to the another types of equation. In this, the equation is related to integral. Integral in the simply this you just type value of 25. Okay, yeah, x minus 1. You can define this is called integral, and you can say simply integral. Okay, you can simply say integral, integral equation. Okay, and one more type of equation you can create here, that is integral with limit. You can also create integral with limit and define it. The upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 3, and defining some value x minus x plus 2, whatever you want to define. This is called integral with. This is also integral, but this is integral with limit. Integral with limit. You can define here. Now another type of equation you can insert integral with limited and with strength limited. Okay, there are various types of options are available there. You can choose according to your wish. This is called counter integral with limit. If you want to create counter integral with limit, you can define the value counter integral with limit. You can, this is called this is called counter integral with limit. Counter integral with limit. Now you can also choose another types of equation is large operation. Just say for example summation you want to create, so you just create summation, value of x is 5. Okay, this is called simple. This is a simple curve summation. You can also create another type of summation also. Summation with limit. That is called summation with limits. Summation with limit. You can define it to upper limit is 2, lower limit is 4, and then define the summation value x plus 5. This is called summation with limit. Another type of equation you can also create by the help of the equation editor. That is called, if you want to create a log function, you can also create from the log. You can also create matrix. You can also consider sometime you want to create a matrix. You can create a matrix of this. You see, this is the matrix of 3 numbers. You can create 1 divided 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, and whatever the value you want to define in the value, you can define. This is called matrix equation. Whatever the things is available in the mathematical equation, you can create by the help of the equation button. And various types of equation are available, you can see, and there are various types of available. You can create log, you can use operators also, operators value also. There are different types of equation you can insert it by the help of MS Word 2016. So students, you just keep practice of these things at your home and you will get learning information about it. Thank you for watching my video.